Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to do the antutu benchmark test in the MI11 device. As you can see, friends, this is the MI11. So, which has the Snapdragon 888 processor. This is my first phone with the Snapdragon 888 processor. I'm really excited to do this kind of antutu benchmark test, friends. And this is my first time doing the antutu benchmark test in this phone particular model. So right now, I did not install much of the applications in this phone. So no applications are installed. So not major applications. So let me to quickly show you the about device as well. As you can see, so right now it's kind of close to new mobile phone, so I'm using for the phone only for the past I think couple of days only. So let's see, friends, in this video we'll get to know what is the antutu benchmark test results on this MI11 device particularly. And even I do have the other phones like the OnePlus 8T with the Snapdragon 865 and even the Realme X7 Pro with the Dimensity 1000 plus also. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those comparison videos with other devices. So during this time I'll try to record the temperature before starting the test and after finishing the test as well. So right now it's 33 degrees, so it's kind of very normal. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my upcoming videos as well, friends, on this MI11. So I'll be, as I said, I'll be doing so many interesting comparison with other smartphones. So first thing is that let me try to quickly show you few settings which I'll be changing right now. I'll try to change from quad HD resolution to the normal full HD plus resolution, and then I'll try to change the refresh rate to the 60 Hz refresh rate, as you can see. So full HD plus 60 Hz. So these are combination which I'll be using for the first time in the antutu benchmark test, and later on in the next antutu benchmark test I'll try to use the high resolution quad HD resolution and the 120 Hz refresh rate. So that will be for the another video, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that video. So this is a combination which I decided to use in this phone right now in this MI11. So let's see, friends, what will be the antutu benchmark results. So even I am very excited for this. So let me quickly open the antutu benchmark application here. So this is antutu benchmark test application, so which has a latest version as well. So right now, as you can see, 8.5.3. So right now even the brightness is around 80%, I think 70 to 80% of the brightness right now. It's not 100%. So right now let me try to quickly start the test by opening this stopwatch, keeping ready here. So let's see, friends, how much time will it take to finish the antutu benchmark test in the Snapdragon 888 processor. That's also another thing to notice. So we saw the temperature reading about 33 degrees. So let me try to quickly start, and let me try to give the permissions as well. So right now, as you can see, friends, the test has been started successfully in this MI11 device, as you can see here. So let's see, friends, how long the antutu benchmark results are gonna take, how much time. So usually it takes about 9 to 10 minutes of time during this to complete this antutu benchmark test in this MI11 device. But overall, you can see here, friends, the antutu benchmark test was going very smooth, and it's my first time seeing this kind of very smoothness in this antutu benchmark application. So usually even in the 865 as well, it's not that smooth. But let's see, friends, if you're using the full HD resolution and the 60 Hz, so what the antutu benchmark results gonna be. So this is a kind of really good test gonna be in this device. And make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll try to do this kind of comparison with the OnePlus 8T as well. So we'll get to know when the OnePlus 8T so antutu benchmark test comparison with the MI11's smartphone. So there are so many videos which are going to come in the next couple of days on this MI11 particularly. So I'll try to do my best to cover to compare with other smartphones which I'm having currently in my channel. I can see the temperature, I can feel actually the temperature is increasing. So from 33 it increased to 37 and 38, 39 it's increasing. As you can see, the temperature start to increase as soon as I open the antutu benchmark test application. So overall, the display is of curved display in this MI11 device, as you can see, curved display. So which has got the really very thin bezels on the sides. So that's another advantage. You do get really premium experience while using this kind of phone. So that's what I did notice as soon as I ordered the phone. That's my first impressions about this device. So it increased to 39 degrees, so 39.2, 40.3 on the top area. As you can see, this is the top area. 40 degrees it has been reached for the first 2 minutes only started, friends. I have started only this antutu benchmark test 2 minutes, so it has passed and the temperature started to increase. And overall, the Snapdragon 888 processor is kind of a premium and smart processor in this 2021. So let's see how well this processor will be competing to the other previous smartphones, like Realme X2 Pro, which has a Snapdragon 855 plus. How this Antutu benchmark test will be compared with this phone. So I'll try to do a separate video on that particular topic, friends. As I said, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for regular updates, so you'll get this kind of interesting videos. So again, I'll be back after the test has been completed. As you can see, friends, the test has been completed and the score is really amazing, 6,94,000. It's kind of really close to 7 lakhs series, as you can see here. So right now the temperature reached to the maximum 40 degrees during this time of testing. 40 degrees and 41 degrees, but that's how much the temperature increased, friends. And overall, during the test, you can see the temperature as well. Sometimes even it reached to the 45 degrees as well, as you can see here. But overall, this is a really very good impressive score for the Snapdragon 888 processor. I can definitely see in the upcoming days we might be able to reach even I think 10 lakhs, I think so, in this upcoming Snapdragon processor mobile phones. But this is a quick Antutu benchmark test results on this MI 11, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for my latest comparison videos with the other smartphone reviews as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, as I said. So I'll try to upload so many videos in comparison with the other smartphones, OnePlus 8T and the Realme X7 Pro as well. So you will get to know more and more details in the future as well on this device particularly. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.